Welcome back to Top Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to explain why you're getting P0502 vehicle speed sensor A low input code. This is a vehicle speed sensor and it is going to be located somewhere on the output shaft area on the transmission. The purpose of the vehicle speed sensor is to measure the rotational speed, and it will determine how fast the vehicle is going. Now, there are two different types of vehicle speed sensor. The first one is there's going to be gears on the vehicle speed sensor. So when the gears start to strip or start to break off or it is contaminated, it can cause poor signal. And the second type of vehicle speed sensor is going to be electromagnetic. Now, if the electromagnetic vehicle speed sensor is covered in metal particles, it could give poor signal to the computer. So when you have a wire issue or a connector issue, it can cause intermittent problem. Also, again, if the vehicle speed sensor gears are stripped, like this one over here, you can see that it is missing teeth. Or let's just say the other type of vehicle speed sensor, which is electromagnetic. And again, if it's covered in dirt or metal particles, it can cause an interruption in the signal. When the vehicle speed sensor is sending erratic signal to the computer, this can cause the speedometer to work inaccurately. For example, if you notice that the vehicle speed is inaccurate. For example, let's just say you're driving 40 miles per hour, but on the speedometer, it is showing that you're going 80 miles per hour. That's how you know that you're going to have a faulty vehicle speed sensor. Also, if you notice that the speedometer needle is constantly bouncing up and down like this, and it is extremely unsteady, again, if the vehicle speed sensor teeth are stripped or it is missing, and again, if you have an electromagnetic vehicle speed sensor that is covered in metal particles, it can cause erratic speed. When inspecting the vehicle speed sensor, I always check the O-ring and make sure it is not cracked or split. Because if the O-ring is cracked or split, it can cause transmission fluid to leak out of that area, and it could get all over on the connector and wire and cause poor signal. Also, when you pull out the vehicle speed sensor, I always check for a buildup of dirt and metal particles on the gears and on the electromagnetic sensor as well. If it is covered in metal particles, you could use a paper towel and you could wipe it off, or you could use a shop rag as well, and that might fix the issue. If there's too much metal particles on the vehicle speed sensor, I suggest that you change the transmission filter and also change the transmission fluid. And whatever you do, do not flush out your transmission. I hope you found this lesson useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.